Welcome back to the Warbird Mistress. Today is Monday, the 22nd of December, 1941, and this is A Walk Through the War. In Washington, D.C., the First Washington Anglo-American Conference, codenamed Arcadia, commences with President Roosevelt, Prime Minister Churchill, Lend-Lease Advisor Harry Hopkins, Minister for Aircraft Production, the Lord Beaverbrook, and both American and British Chiefs of Staff in attendance, the latter also speaking on behalf of the Empire and Commonwealth. Operationally, we turn first to the Caribbean Air Force. With one detachment remaining behind, the 20th Transport Squadron of the Panama Air Depot transfers from France Field Canal Zone to Waller Field, Trinidad, with Douglas C-39s, the military version of the DC-2, Douglas C-40C Skytrains, and Douglas C-49s, the military designation for impressed civilian DC-3s. The squadron had been flying already out of Trinidad in support of Caribbean defense since June as part of the Destroyers for Bases exchange. The 20th was a key part of the Rapid Response Force established to train in defense of the canal, being paired with the Army's 501st Parachute Battalion and the 550th Airborne Infantry. In the zone of the interior, the 102nd Observation Squadron, 71st Observation Group, transfers from Fort McClellan, Alabama, all the way to San Bernardino Army Airfield in California, with a mix of O-46s, O-47s, and O-49s. There they join in patrols for Japanese submarines. In the 4th Air Force, the B-25s of the 34th Bombardment Squadron Medium, 17th Bombardment Group Medium, join other units flying anti-submarine patrols out of Pendleton Army Air Base, Oregon. Turning to where the action is in the Southwest Pacific Theater of Operations. In Brisbane, the Far East Air Force receives the headquarters and ground echelons of the 7th Bombardment Group Heavy, which includes the 9th, 11th, and 22nd Bombardment Squadrons Heavy, as well as the 88th Recon Squadron Heavy. The B-17s of the 9th and 11th Bomb Squads are on their way to Australia, while those of the 22nd Bomb and 88th Recon Squadrons continue to operate from Hickam Field on Oahu for the next few weeks. In the first long-distance bombing run of the B-17 Flying Fortress, a shuttle bombing flight to the Philippines takes off from Bachelor Field near Darwin to attack shipping in Davao Bay, landing then at Del Monte Field in Mindanao. On the ground in the Philippines, the 16th, 17th, and 91st Bombardment Squadrons Light of the 27th Bombardment Group Light disperse from Manila's Fort William McKinley to Lipa Airfield, Batangas, 50 miles south of Manila, San Fernando, Pampanga, 11 miles south of Clark Field, north of Manila, and San Marcelino, Zambales, north of the Bataan Peninsula, respectively. They do so without aircraft, as they prepare to defend their airfields against the Japanese horde they know to be on the horizon. That was Monday, the 22nd of December, 1941. Thank you for tuning in to A Walk Through the War. As always, this is Claire, and I am the Warbird Mistress. Take care.